guys, it's Jess, and today we're going to be doing a really easy Harley Quinn makeup tutorial. This is perfect because it's getting close to Halloween time, and if you're like me and you're a broke college student, this is great because I don't have the normal effects, I guess, makeup and equipment that professionals have, so this is great for you. It's a really easy look, so let's get started. The first thing you want to do is pale out your skin. So I'm going to be using a really white concealer and just put that all over. Next, I'm just going to set it with a very transparent setting powder.
I'm sorry.
Okay, now we're going to do our black brows. If you don't have any black eyebrow pencil, just use black eyeliner or black eyeshadow. I'm going to be using a black gel eyeliner and an angled brush.
I'm sorry.
In high school, someone said I looked like a jar of mayonnaise because I was so white and I had my brows.
That's funny.
I just want to look because why not? Once you have your black eyebrows, you just want to contour a little bit. Contour.
I'm not a makeup person. Contour.
The makeup community is cringing.
So who's like the biggest person you would say in the makeup community?
Like right now, honestly, I think at this moment it's Jeffree Star.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
Because I mean, him and Shane Dawson just put out like a new line.
Shane Dawson? Isn't he the guy from like Smosh or something?
No, that's
Oh no, he was a YouTuber. He was on his own thing, right?
yeah, he does his own thing.
Yeah.
Not so much. You're thinking of the other Shane.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so.
You're thinking of Shane Taff.
Probably.
You look like a crazy person.
I don't know.
Because I mean, Harley Quinn is crazy. So.
Yeah.
Okay.
You look really elegant on that camera.
Really?
Yeah, it's kind of weird. It's probably just the red.
Okay. Digging it.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, what you want to do is get a piece of paper. You can do, I used index cards, honestly, to cut out these little diamonds. And you're going to take, I'm going to use eyelash glue, but you can use like a glue stick or, yeah, any adhesive that you can peel off easily. That's why I'm using eyelash glue on this part. And you want to make sure that all the edges are going to stick, and you're going to stick them on your cheeks right below each eye.
Cool. Can you give me a second while
me laugh because it means move.
I'm sorry. Won't that just make them look more crazy? I'm just kidding.
Honestly. Okay. So after you have your diamonds glued to your face, you're going to grab a sponge. Some people use like sea sponge, but honestly, I didn't have a sea sponge laying around my house. So I just grabbed a regular sponge that you use for doing dishes and kind of cut out a little piece of it. It'll give the same effect that we're going for. We're going for a little messy look because Harley Quinn has been through some stuff. So what you're going to do, if you don't have like red face paint, that's okay. You can also use like a red lipstick.
This one stopped.
At what point?
Oh, it's gone.
Okay.
We're back.
I want to cover up the whole diamond because we're going to end up peeling it off and it's going to leave like a little, it's kind of acting as a stencil. So it's important to make sure all the edges of that diamond are down before you start painting. We're going to add some of this red on the top of the opposite eyelid. This looks really weird without the rest of it on. It's okay. Okay, once you think you had enough, you can go as crazy as you want or as light as you want. It's really up to you. We're going to do the same thing kind of on the opposite sides with black. So once again, you can use like a black eyeliner. I'm going to use black face paint for this. And just apply it to another part of your sponge and do the exact same thing. Now is the moment of reveal.
Okay.
Yes.
Go for it.
I'm going to peel off the diamonds very carefully. There we go. Actually turned out better than I thought it would.
I think it is a little better than last time.
Really?
Well, for me.
Yes! Oh my gosh.
I don't
Okay.
need it.
That part is always nerve-wracking because you never know if like the edges stay still. Okay, next you're gonna take your eyeliner and you're gonna, you can do a winged eyeliner, which is what I'm going to do, or you can just do whatever you're comfortable with. It's really up to you. I'm gonna be doing it with a liquid eyeliner.
It's low-key grossing me out. Like, no offense. No offense. the Chargers.
Like any football team.
Ooh.
Next, you're going to apply some mascara. I'm not so good.
Because it's scary. I don't know. Oh god. Scary.
Jump scare.
And that was still not as close as I could get with that. I could keep going.
Ghost.
Ghost horse.
Okay, next you're going to apply some fake eyelashes. Really doesn't matter what kind you use, whatever you think will go with the look. Mine are kind of like a triangular shape at the end, so I think they'll work perfect. You ever watch people like long fake eyelashes?
Yeah. To the edge. Yeah. I get weirded out sometimes with all the things girls do for makeup and clothes and stuff. Guys are gross.
True. We're just gross in different ways.
Yeah.
I'm just sitting here thinking, zoning out. Okay.
I'm
Thinking of
sorry.
spooky, scary skeletons running through my head. Okay. Sorry.
You're fine.
The next thing that we're gonna do are lips. And for this, I don't have any black lipstick. If you have black lipstick, use it. But I'm gonna really line my lips with black eyeliner, which is not usual, but I don't care.
Me of the scene in Mulan when like the girl has like the black ink and then she kind of like outlines a mustache for herself.
Does she outline a mustache with herself, or puts a mole on her face?
She goes like this or whatever after grabbing Mulan by the wrist.
Oh yeah.
I'm sorry, that was the first thing that came to my mind.
And sisters, we sing.
Yeah, that song. I forget you can sing sometimes.
Thanks.
I'm sorry. Is that a bad thing?
No, it's fine.
Well, I mean, you're so goofy, not gonna lie.
I really am. I'm something.
Same though?
And then lastly, you're going to take a red lip gloss, lipstick, face paint, eyeshadow, and just really matter. And fill in and blend. So now we're done with the makeup, and next it's time to get a wig. The one that I'm using I got at Target, so it's very cheap, very easy to get. So yeah. Mention how much I hate wigs.
You've been mentioning that the whole time you've had the wig on. And a little bit before.
Okay. And now that you have your wig on, it's completed. Perfect.
You're like, I'm working with you, Greg. Like everyone.
My expectations are really low. No, I'm joking.
Well, if you put it that way.
Walks out. Leaves.
Leaves everything. I mean, takes everything but the GoPro.
Sound just came into my head.
Hmm.
Spooky, scary skeleton running through my
God damn it. There's so many good remixes of that song though.
There are.